Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you all the process what we are following in SJ Innovation for choosing like good performers like from our entire company and recognizing their efforts and stuff. So it's a simple process what we follow with help of HR team as well as our uh, like all team members and project managers, team leads. They all participate in this process to help us get the proper recognitions done. So every first week of the month, like usually on first, second, third, within this range, email is sent out from me sharing a form with all the project managers, team leads, managers, like so that they can nominate like people who are working closely with them, like or with whom they are directly working with. Like so, based on their knowledge, they nominate these peoples making use of this Google form. At the same time, like we also share another form with our team members as well, there wherein they can nominate like the team leads or like project managers, or even if they see like some of their colleagues, team members, like if they are doing some really good efforts or doing something which is which should be recognized, any such observation, so they can share with us. Now one important thing what we keep on telling the members is one basic thing, not to just nominate someone for like doing things what is expected from them, but try and see like wherein they can see like some different things, what initiative or an achievement or a different thing, a new idea, things like this which they have done. Okay, so also very important is like when it comes to team members and they sharing these like nominations or feedbacks, usually what we found is they try and write generalized like feedback statement. So we ask them to avoid doing it, so it helps us to actually identify what is been achieved by the individual or what has been done by the individual. So that's very important, I feel, like when it comes to recognition. Like we know people, like a lot of them, they write like, okay, this XYZ person is hardworking or is very smart, very supportive. But these are general statements rather than like just mentioning that. If I mention specific things, okay, last month on this particular project, this individual really put in the hard work. He was or she was able to achieve a particular complex functionality, supported our client, like maybe beyond working hours or at a critical time, which could have been a disaster if that support was not provided. So that dedication and hard work was really evident on that member's side. Now this becomes a very specific thing why I feel that person is very dedicated or put on some good efforts like during last month, right? Rather than just saying, okay, I see that person is very hardworking. So some of these instructions are also provided in over here, like our team leads or project managers, we expect them to know this already. So you don't see all those things over here. So once these nominations are collected by these people, they I mean when they submit, like we see like a lot of these details which are provided and stuff. So like over here by members, then or project managers and TLs also provide. So once this is done, we give them span of at least 1 week, and send them multiple reminders to submit the nominations and all. So once that is done, what we do is like with help of our HR admin team, like we do the background check about things. So certain basics, so it's not just about the performance. We also want to ensure that these members who have been nominated, when they were putting in those efforts or doing those like good performances, they were not violating any of our basic processes or cultural things. So these things are also looked after before we finalize things, right? So for example, whatever the basic processes are, their attitude behavior in the office or with the colleagues and all. How was their communication skills or participation in meetings or events activities, what they were doing. And also like if there are any other learning or goals related efforts what they were. In fact, even we allow members to nominate someone based on some of their efforts in learning or goals related achievements as well. So once so this is done by this stat collections. This is usually filled by all the managers and like the HR team of individual offices from wherever those members they belong. And once those things are done, then it comes towards the finalization. We see a particular members like who, if they have not done any area like any processes and stuff, if they have not followed up to the minimum standard what we have set up, then such members, or if there was some inappropriate incidents and stuff like so, such things are eliminated. And once the list is finalized with discussing with managers, those members are intimated with help of the PM team, just announcing it during their team's weekly week sessions or during daily scrum sessions, and even during all hands meeting which we have for each of our offices monthly basis. So this is how we follow the performer of the month process in SJ Innovation. Thank you.